What's up guys, so Apple has introduced its Apple Visions Pro at WWDC 2023. Apple Visions Pro brings 3D objects to life. You can pull a 3D object out of an app and look at it from every angle as it's right in the front of you. Brings your Mac wirelessly into Visions Pro with Mac Virtual Display. You can place it anywhere in space and use Visions Pro as an enormous, private, portable 4K display. Apple will launch its super expensive worth of $3,500 Visions Pro mixed reality head-mounted headset in next year, but it seems that Apple cannot sell its Visions Pro into China because of Huawei. Huawei has already successfully authorized the Visions Pro product trademark 4 years ago on May 2019 in China. Huawei's Visions Pro trademark number is 3824288 and has exclusive 10 years rights of trademark used to Huawei starting from November 2021 to November 2031. So here is a problem for Apple. Apple has to rename its Visions Pro to sell in China. If not, then Apple has to face trademark infringements by Huawei. Huawei's trademark is applicable to world's largest consumers market by public in China only. And Apple can sell its virtual reality headset with the name of Vision Pro into rest of the world. Apple will launch its Visions Pro reality headset in the last quarter of this year or in the beginning of next year in United States of America only. Apple has not announced yet Visions Pro availability in China or rest of the world. So what do you think guys about all this scenario and Visions Pro availability outside of a US market in China? That's it for today and I'll see you later. Peace out. Please do consider subscribing and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.